The very first thing that attracted me is a CFOS that enable me to earn passive income. My name is Hua Piok. I work in the oil and gas industry. My motivation is to earn more money so I can have enough money to quit my job so I can have my financial freedom as soon as possible. I find out BRA through the Facebook. I saw someone which is Jessie, the past participant. She posted something like CFOS kind of thing. So I saw it very interesting to me. So I decided to click the button and that's why I joined the VIP. My favorite part in VIP is CFOS, the one that I can do the sell-put option that I can earn passive income. The most helpful lesson to me is a VIA funnel that enable me to evaluate the company, and after that I can give a gauge by using the intrinsic value to do the investment. Yes, I will definitely recommend this to my friend.